Welcome to our channel Master Clips. We're going to be talking how to make money here in Nigeria. A lot of people have been asking us how can we make money, and we'll be starting on the number one on our list, which will become affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a means for you to generate some passive income per month. And how can you generate this? This is by pairing up with affiliate platform like Congo, Jumia, Amazon. This platform is going to help you generate money by selling the product as a third party worker, working with them. You sell the product, promote it on social media pages, website. You can help yourself to generate some little passive income per month. Most of this platform will give you up to 40% per sale of product you sell from the platform. So number two on our list will also be blogging. Blogging is another way you can generate money here in Nigeria. You have blogs, for example, Linda KG blog, Nairaland blog. All this platform would help you make money. And you can go ahead starting your own blog, or if you're not a web developer, you can get a web developer who can make you a blog. And all you have to do is become a good writer. Write about what's really trending, what's really important to the people, that you can help them in their various lives. So when you begin to write all these, you generate viewers to your post, and you can make money by selling ad space in your blog. You can also generate money from Google AdSense. So all this is a good idea for you to make money, but it's only when you focus you can be able to generate money. Making money online in whatever way you want to make money is just on your decision. How far do you want to push in making money? So the number three on our channel, we'll be talking about website development. Website development is another means you can generate money. As I said, someone who need a blog need a website developer who can help him to develop his blog. Also for companies who want to start like their own website, you can be able to help them generate those items by using your skill you've generated to help yourself to generate money, real money from what you learned. You can be able to produce money. You can also use platform like WordPress, Blogger to help you if you're a new starter. You go into web development. You need something that's gonna help you because you're not that familiar with coding, so you got to use something that's kind of a little bit easy. We'll be talking about selling social media accounts. Selling social media accounts have become another strategy we can make money in the country here in Nigeria. If you have a popular Instagram account, a popular Facebook account, also a popular Twitter account, many people want to buy your account because your account is popular. They want to use it to promote the brand. So they're going to say the need is to purchase your account. But the only thing is that your account must have a real following, because most people generate fans on their account using bot followers, and those followers are not engaging. But if you generate an account that have a good following and a good engagement, I believe you can make money. So thanks for watching this video. Well, thank you so much for watching this video.